Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. The battery in this 2018 Audi A7 Quattro is located right here in the trunk. It's actually underneath the spare tire. It's a little bit hard to get to, but we'll show you the steps. We recommend you check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. The first step is to lift the luggage compartment floor covering by the handle and fold it forward. Then remove the spare tire retainer nut and remove the spare tire. And then remove the tool tray. Now we can remove the fasteners for the spare tire retainer bracket. You'll need a 13mm wrench for that. And remove the bracket. With gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal and set it off to the side. Now we can remove the vent hose from the side of the battery. Then remove the positive terminal cap and loosen the fastener using a 10mm wrench. And remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal and set it off to the side, making sure not to touch any metal on the vehicle. The next step is to loosen the fastener for the battery's hold-down bracket using a 13mm wrench. And remove the bracket. Now we can remove the old battery and install the replacement battery. The next step is to reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket and tighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the battery's vent hose into the side of the battery and check the hose for any cracks or damage. Be sure to install the vent plug into the side of the battery opposite the vent hose tube. This can be done after the battery has been installed. The vent plug should come with your battery. Next, reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. And replace the cap. Then, disconnect the connector from the battery monitoring control module and reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and tighten the fastener. And then reconnect the connector for the battery monitoring control module. Now we can reinstall the spare tire's retainer bracket and tighten the fasteners. Then reinstall the tool tray and the spare tire and tighten the spare tire's retainer nut. And finally, flip down the luggage compartment floor covering And we're done. Many late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in the video's description below.